On April 1st, 2023, a SPC enhanced risk was issued for the New Jersey area. Little did we know, so many tornado warnings would have been issued that the NWS had to actually declare this as a tornado outbreak. Please enjoy April Fool's Madness. There it is. Version 1, which I got for $50. I'm recording.
That looks so good.
Please be quiet.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 108, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Union, New Jersey, and New York Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Surprise,
Stay tuned to know
Surprise, you guys, severe thunderstorm
commercial
watch.
radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 108 has been issued from 5:15 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following county: Union, New Jersey, and New York. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 109, effective until 10 p.m.
Tornado watch!
This watch includes the following
Guys,
counties
stop
in New Jersey:
screaming.
Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and
Crap.
Somerset. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 109 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset. Has issued a tornado warning for Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, North Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Rickboro, or 13 miles west of Trenton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Bordentown, Pennington, Yardley, Newtown, Towertown, Linghorn, Iveland, Washington Crossing, Woodside, Rickboro, Whitehorse, Mercerville, Hamilton Square, Linghorn, Levittown, Lawrenceville, Florence, Roebling, and Morrisville. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 7 and 7A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 55 and 76. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Mercer and Bucks, Pennsylvania.
Crap, doubleheader. Special Marine warning. Oh, turn it off. Nope, that stopped it. Just keep your hand over it.
The National Weather Another service in Upton, New York has issued a special notice warning for
Upton
New York
tones on
Harbor, Sandy Hook,
W260.
New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles until 7:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Upper New York Harbor to 13 nautical miles northwest of South Amboy, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Upper New York Harbor around 7:10 p.m. Raritan Bay, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge and Lower New York Harbor around 7:20 p.m. Rockaway Inlet and Jamaica Bay around 7:30 p.m. Sandy Hook Bay around 7:35 p.m. Barnum Island and Island Park around 7:45 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Red chip.
It's raining tacos.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for North Central Camden County in southern New Jersey, Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, East Central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Palmyra or near Philadelphia, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
This is the most tornado warnings I've ever
Flying
gotten
debris
in
will
one
be dangerous
night.
to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Medford, Lumberton, Burlington, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Tabernacle, Shimoda,
The NWS office is gonna get hit.
Town, Winnemucca, Randywood, Cherry Hill Mall, Bethany, Marlton, and Leisure Town. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 33. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 36
Thank
and
you very
49.
much.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden.
Actually, there's another doubleheader.
At 6 p.m. at Belmont. Eastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located over Crosswicks or near Trenton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Jackson, Bordentown, Lakehurst, Allentown, Roosevelt, Windsor, Six Flags Theme Park, Cedar Glen
Six
West,
Flags didn't get impacted.
West Freehold, Cassville, Adelphia,
Six Flags didn't
Clarksburg,
get
Vista
impacted.
Center,
Yippee.
Edinburgh, Crosswicks, Whitehorse, and Woodruff.
Sorry.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 7 and 8. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers
Imagine it back
55
there.
and 65.
It's a doubleheader in the tour
Take
seats.
cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties
It's coming.
in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Monmouth, and Ocean. at 6 p.m. At Bell.
Holy crap! This might confirm. This is Fire Tour C.
So, tornadoes only east.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado
I know.
warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey.
Yes, it does. They
Central
do.
Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 8 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight lines.